this morning I'm actually working on this sleep cap for a customer, and they want a bow because this is reversible, can be worn on either side easily. So they're wanting a reversible bow. So this is what I'm going to be making to wear on either side. So I showed you the fabric yesterday. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 inches by 1 2 3 4 5 inches, and 2 fold and just sew, leave an opening and you turn that out. And I'm doing the same thing with the strap of it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 and a half, and I'm folding this pretty much like about, I'd say, let's see, maybe like an inch. All right, and I do the same thing with this one, 1 inch. And I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Carter family as well as I go along. Just pay attention. I see that Chrissy did a video with her mom. She picked her mom up yesterday at the airport, which was really nice. Glad to see the support from her family, and also her YouTube family. So you see, I just pinch. I'm gonna slap that up against here and slap this up against there. So this is what I have. All right, nice and fluffy. I'll work on that in a minute. So I'm just gonna hold this here. That's very nice. Very, very nice to see that she have that support that she need. Chrissy, we love you, Chrissy. We admire you so much. You have no idea. And I know this is not just me saying that. There's lots of people out there, Chrissy, who admire you. You come to this country and you know, you make the best of it. Now this is the little piece I'm making to wrap over here. So because it's reversible, I'm gonna make it where it's reversible, can be worn on either side. So I just fold that in half and fold that. There you go, just like that. And usually I would sew this a little bit. Let me hold this in place, but I'm not gonna do that today. But if you're new to this, you can put a needle and thread in here. Maybe, no, I'm thinking I should do that, but it's okay. I can manage without it. Or can I? All right, let me grab a needle and thread. Probably just sew it through. Yeah, and like I said before, you entertain us so much, make us laugh, your pranks are funny, and it's just great. So just keep doing what you're doing, Chrissy. Just keep doing what you're doing. Nobody is perfect. No relationship is perfect. You know, it goes through stages, ups and downs. Let me go get my needle threaded. Alright. No relationship is perfect, you know. Relationship goes up and down. But you have to just hang in there, you know. It's not always going to be good. You know, the good times come and go, the bad times. Oh no, I just pulled the needle through. Oh, pop it. I'm gonna have to start again. You know, with the Bible teaches us that with the good comes bad. You don't always gonna be smiling. Some days it's gonna be tears. You know, but that is a way also to test what you have. You know, you know what you really have when you have to go through the trials. So guys, look, I put this in the middle. I'm going to put my needle all the way down in the middle so that the end of my thread, the knot, is not going to be shown. And I'm just going to sew this a couple times through so it holds. Yeah, should be fine. So I'm going to tie off my thread. Yeah, but I'm really happy to see that. I'm happy to see you moving forward, Chrissy. Healing takes time. It's not going to happen overnight, but you're heading the right way, and there's lots and lots of prayers out here for you. I'd love to see you guys renew your vow. That would be publicly. That would be really nice. That would be nice. Because believe it or not, we are a family. We are adopted into your family, Chrissy. You invited us in. We're in and we're happy. So you see what I do now? I put that in the middle. So that's what that's going to look like. And we're bringing this over. And over here now, because I want it to be worn on either side, I'm going to make this very pretty over here, so it can be worn on either side. See how that looks? Really pretty. And I'm going to go underneath layers of fabric and hold that. So the first thing I'm going to do is hide my thread. So I'm going to go under the fabric, and I'm hiding that thread so you won't see that thread. And I'm going to stitch under the fabric at all times. Keep it under so you won't see that thread. And I go quickly, and I'm going to turn around and go back so it stays in place. See? Alright, and I'm going to go turn around, and I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to hold it. So again, oops, I'm going to go under, and I can actually feel the point of the needle. It won't come through, but I can feel it, and that's what I want. Yeah. Alright, and I'm picking up right here. So that's twice stitched. You're not seeing anything, and I'm going to close it right here underneath. Just pick that up and closing underneath so you're not going to see anything. And this is for a customer of mine. I do custom work, my scrunchies. You can find my scrunchies. These are the bomb, because these scrunchies are not, this is our logo. One day I'll tell you about how we come up with that color. Our scrunchies are fluffy. These are jumbo scrunchies. You can find them on our website at Cuz Boutique, and that's CUZZ BOTIQUE. That's how it's spelled, Cuz Boutique. So you can find us over there, and you can purchase our scrunchies. you can, oh, this is so pretty. You can make your purchase and your orders there as well. Alright, so I'm leaving here optional for those of you who, I don't know if you like it like that, but I'm gonna, you know. Alright, let's pick that too. Okay. There you go, guys. Beautiful bow. And she's gonna be able to wear it on her bonnet. So there you go. Go for the bonnet. And these are worn with a little pin, so you can wear them either way. Either side you choose, and there's a little pin, so you pin your bonnet right onto. Beautiful. And you can also wear this on the reversible side as well. There you go. Lovely. You can check out the video that's listed on top for how I made this, but this is for a customer, custom made. All right.